that hill thing. Just right here is fun. Okay. I'm just gonna see your butt the whole video.
You want to try it?
I want to look at it first. Yep, I'm doing that. Okay, still recording. So I'm not doing this without recording. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, happy Halloween.
Do I just keep my speed?
Just wheelie with your front wheel when you go when you hit it.
What? Oh, I'm too scared.
Okay.
I know I can do it.
I said just wheelie when you hit it, but
I don't want to do it.
okay. He's a wimp.
I'm totally sure I could do it. It's not that hard.
I said.
Put that on YouTube.
What?
Can't put that on YouTube.
Right after you did that, I was like, he's a wimp into the camera. Okay, we're starting up again. Hopefully there's more log rolls or obstacles at least. Oh, nice berm for a second. Not very good though. Downwards berm. Turn around. Almost fell off by accident. This part's nice. Little spiral downhill. Oh, that room almost got me. Dang, this is fun. This drop-offs, berm. Woo! Well, that was like a rock roll.
I believe we want to go up this way.
Okay.
My phone just turned on.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, no.
Which way?
My phone.
Uphill or
Oh
straight?
my God, we're so close to the car. The cars are like right. I guess if we wanted to finish, we'd just go right out there. All right, we're gonna go back to the back. We're gonna go back to the back side.
Okay.
Kick it into low gear going up this.
I'm in gear 7 and I'm starting out uphill. So, might have to walk.
Back here's where a world famous music festival used to take place.
Okay. God, I just started out in like a low gear. Okay, I'm gonna make it now. I just had to start on a low gear. Coming up here is a couple obstacles, a couple wooden things, a couple more rolls. And also about 2 more burms. One's really good. Gotta catch up. Okay guys, we're at the car, so peace out. Bye.